We're going to do a different kind of build today. Here we are in the attic room that I've made into a Lego. Too expensive to throw out. But what we have here is a treehouse. My daughter got it for Christmas, and I'm going to help her put it together. It is 3,036 pieces. 3 rooms. Put the autumn leaves on. Pretty cool, pretty cool. What we got started is got the tree trunk and the base. This book has a lot of pages. Man, really 425, you know, 431 pages. Whew. So we're gonna get started on that. We got Minecraft, we got the White House, got a bunch of the cars, a whole bunch of them. Oh, and we got January 6th. Dragons. Ender dragons. You got 1,000 minifigure faces. There's some more cars need to get put together. Police officers. These are the friends. Yep. And I'll speed this up and we'll be putting this together.
A few moments later.
Here's bag number 7. It's part of the room. You got a bed, some binoculars, some dresser, compass. Leah said that was ink. I think it's ink too. Yeah. Little window. And bag number 8 looks like it's gonna finish this room. Now we're on to bag 9. Here, get started.
The next morning.
On to bag 10. This is bag 9. A washroom. Made this cute little bridge, flexible. On to bag 11. It's only half the book. Bag 12. Bag 12 finishes this room. It has bunk beds, microscope, little birdhouse. And it has this little book that says, "Once upon a time." Bag 13. This is pretty cool. Bag 13 is the roofs. As you can tell, I got color coded. So this is the roof for the red one right there. And they make them where you can take them off and play inside, just like that. Yep. They just sit right on top. Pretty cool. Bag 14. Looks like it makes this. Alright, there's bag 14. It's the top part of the trunk. Holds leaves. Match the green to the green. And that's it. On to bag 15. $16. Before the dragon gets up. Bag 16 got us some leaves, flowers, some mushrooms, and a little pot on fire, and a picnic table, and this basket of goodies. We got a carrot, green apple, fish, and some cherries. Now on to bag 17, leaves. I'm gonna go with green because the base is all green. I get home from work and I see that my daughter finished bag 17 and 18, all the limbs and leaves. So I'm gonna put them on bag 19 now. All right, 428 pages later, we're done. And it has part numbers for every piece. Pretty cool. It says the leaves are made out of plant, so kill one plant to make another one, fake one. This is the extra pieces. As you can tell, my daughter wasn't in most of the video because she don't want to be on camera. That's okay. She put some kitties up. It comes with 4 characters, these 4 here. Turned out pretty good. Please like and subscribe. The more people that like this video, the more it gets out. And they do sell a light kit where you can illuminate the whole thing. It's a good centerpiece.